Not too long ago, you mentioned some anecdotal findings as a coffeeholic myself, that coffee is actually shown not just for prostate cancer, but for a variety of cancers, that it has a number of antioxidant properties and so forth that may actually be a helping hand in the battle, if you will. Do you recommend it to your patients? Actually, as you write it on your prescription pad.
Well, coffee, you know, I'm a big fan of it, and I've read and studied a lot about this. I think there's also many studies that have shown that it reduces Parkinson's, it reduces the incidence of diabetes. We're seeing more and more studies about Alzheimer and coffee. And it's not just the stimulant part of it and the caffeine part of it, is that there's all these antioxidants, there are all these like elements in it, all the vitamin B's that's going to help us. And that's why I'm a big fan of this. Now, most of the studies will show that 1 to 2 cups a day, we're talking about 8-ounce cup of coffee, 1 to 2 cups a day, they're not going to make much of a difference. More than 4, certainly 6 cups a day, it's too much, and there's harm to it. Somewhere between 3 to 2 cups a day is when you're going to get the maximum benefit of coffee, and I think that's really important. You have to also know how to drink coffee. Because it's diuretic and it's going to take some of the water out, you have to supplement it with at least equivalent number of water, number one. And number two, I don't want you to take a lot of sugar and milk with it, because that would defeat the whole purpose of the coffee. You don't want to take a lot of sugar with it because of diabetes, etc. So I'm a big fan of it. Most studies, when it talks about coffee and prostate cancer, it shows that it reduces the incidence of aggressive prostate cancer by 60%. And also, if you have prostate cancer, recently we showed this on Fox News, that it can reduce the number of recurrence by about 30%. That's significant, and I think we need a longer study to really see the effect of this, but I certainly have my vote and my bet on coffee.